Hello everyone. This is could be the coolest, maybe the smallest, one of the smallest washer machine available. And this one, it's called. Let's check out the sticker. Castway, and this is made in China. $140, and this also the washer motor spins and the drone. Very lightweight. I've seen this one long time ago in one time in a hotel, and so very simple. It's small, very small. The dryer. This is washing. And this is to dry. This dryer spinner is very small. So this is the hose it comes with, and this this one for rinsing after washing. This one for washing. So this is go to this tank to wash. This one goes to the, and then there's a small hose. That's what, after washing, you replace the wet cloth here, and then you close it, spins, and then basically will make it a little bit like drier. So those this one can go directly to the top, you see. So you just need to keep watch eye on this when it's operating, because this can be loosed or something. So this one can go directly to the sink top, kitchen sink top, or bathroom sink top. Okay, so very simple. This is the washer time. Start from 15 minutes to 0, normal, drain, and gentle, you see. And this is the spin time also. Start from 5 minutes to 0. So let's spin this one first and see how it works. So when I open this, it doesn't operate. So as soon as I close it, see. So once you open this cover, this one will stop right away, but it spins very fast. One trick I found about this: if you place the cloth in a wrong place, if you put too much, this will make a huge vibration and sound. So you need to put the little cloth at the center. Try to put in the center, close it, and then you spin it. And the washing, very simple too. When you open the cover, and it can also still operate, not like the other one, you see. So it's pretty cool. Spins from both direction, left to right, right to left. Now let's put on drain. Just a little bit hard to turn. Yeah, that's it's draining, but no sound. Very strong. This how when you drain it like that. So when you put it up like that, it won't drain. I don't think there is a motor to drain the water. It simply works by gravity. So as soon as you place the hose down, it will drain. That's how it works, I think, because there's no vacuum like for drain the water. It's very lightweight, and this one it's like very small, as you see. It's really cool. I'll put the link description, more details about this. Thank you for watching. All the best. Hope to see you next video.